If your hygiene audit failed this year, it's probably not because your team didn't clean. It's because you couldn't prove it. I'm Trevor Whittaker from Crystal Mount Workplace Services, and today I'm breaking down why hygiene audits fail and how you can fix it for good. When auditors arrive, they're not just checking if your site looks clean. They're checking whether it's managed, whether it's recorded and compliant. Most hygiene audit failures happen because the business can't provide the right documentation, the right traceability, or the correct evidence of consistency. In other words, you're doing the work, but you can't prove it. Here are 5 most common reasons hygiene audits fail in South Africa. Number 1, no documented hygiene plan or contract in place. Without a fixed hygiene schedule, there's no proof of frequency or accountability. It's just guesswork. Number 2, missed or incomplete service logs. If your provider doesn't record each visit and can't demonstrate consistency, a major audit failure point will occur. Number 3, lack of certification or product traceability. Auditors want to see that every product used, from sanitizers to air fresheners to pest control to chemical deep cleaning, is all done via SAPS approval or ISO safety standards, and everything must be safely managed. Number 4, non-compliance with legislation is a problem. Now, the Foodstuffs Act R638, the Occupational Health and Safety Act, and even municipal bylaws all require documented hygiene and pest control. Number 5, poor communication between your departments. Many businesses outsource hygiene but fail to integrate reporting with HR or other safety departments, and that's where proof gets lost. At Crystal Mount, we make hygiene compliance effortless. Every hygiene contract includes the following. Number 1, a fully planned annual service schedule. Number 2, digital service logs for every visit. Number 3, audit-ready reports and compliance certificates. Number 4, product traceability documentation. And of course, yes, all the necessary service certificates. Number 5, on-site sign-offs after each service. So, when an auditor arrives, you don't panic. You simply print, present, and pass the information on to the auditor. Don't wait for another failed audit to expose the gaps in your hygiene management. With Crystal Mount, you're not just getting sanitizing and decontamination, you're getting planned, proven compliance. I'm Trevor Whittaker, and this is Crystal Mount Workplace Services, where hygiene isn't only sanitizing and decontamination, it's planned and perfected. Visit our website or contact us today to make your next hygiene audit a huge success.